Today is Wednesday, July the 10th. And earlier we were cleaning barns, so the manure spreader's full of poop. And Wilson wanted to make some nitrogen water to water his corn. So what we did was we had another 275 gallon tote of totes so we could put water in. It was sitting on this wagon back here. So what we did was fill that about half full with water. So I believe what he's been doing is taking like a 5-gallon bucket, putting a couple forkfuls of manure in there, and then filling 2/3 of it with water, and then kind of stirring it in to make nitrogen water.
Alright, so I'll show you the recipe for good growing corn. Since I've already used this and I can't pick up the manure very easily, George brought me a shovel. Alright, the recipe if you want to do this in your garden. You go out and buy a spreader full of manure from Menards, your nearest Menards. Just go buy a spreader full of manure. You can see where I'm putting it. Put one shovel full or full into a bucket. That's step 1. Step 2. We put that in. Carry this over. Fill the rest of the way to the top with water. As you can see, this one has been just sitting here. It has the same amount of manure, and it's filling with water. So what you do is open up the valve a little bit more, fill the rest of it with water. Fill it down to that. Grab our bucket. Move it over here. Get this one catching more water. And then just go try to break up all that manure and straw that's on there. This one isn't as rich as that one because it has a lot more straw in it since I didn't have the shovel then. Because George just brought me a shovel. So there's a lot more straw in this one as opposed to that one. So that one's going to have more nutrients in it. And then once I have it crunched up really good, throw all the straw out because I don't want it. It's not bad for my garden. It would actually work as some pretty nice mulch. Just taking it out just because I want to and because I told me to. Take the straw out, stick that back in there. Here we go to the field.
You're in the field.
I know. Okay. Pick this up. Sorry, water there. Come back down to the end. Stuff's double the heaviness. It has manure and water. said, this will go a miracle. So then we can go back and repeat the process again. Go back here. Grab another spoonful of stuff is heavy. Manure. Take it back over the water tank and repeat the process. My dogs are settling down, having to wait on forks. No, I should have stayed there.
Wilson got this entire second planting done, and I think he got, looks like this first row of the bigger corn done. So now I'm gonna take the rest of the manure spreader and I'm gonna haul manure. Ooh. Oh, I'm in super view mode. Whoops. There we go. I'm gonna take the rest of this. I'm gonna move the forward and back up to the manure spreader, and then I'm gonna haul it on the far end of those fields. And then I'm gonna go up to the neighbor's field where we were chopping. Not in this last chopping video, but the one before that. And then I'm gonna cut the rest of that. We'll probably leave it for bedding bales or for square bales or something. But yeah, for all you farmers and people who just have a manure spreader full of manure sitting around, that's a good use for it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.